They say in space, no one can hear you scream. But in the ocean, sound travels 4 times faster than in the air. For decades, NOAA's hydrophone network listened to the deep, searching for enemy subs. But sometimes, they picked up things that weren't machines. Today we're going to listen to the 4 strangest sounds ever recorded in the abyss. Put your headphones on. The first one is the most famous, summer of 1997. Sensors separated by 3,000 miles picked this up simultaneously. Its profile was organic. It looked like a living beast, but to be that loud, it would have to be massively larger than a blue whale. While many dreamed of sea monsters, the reality was geological, an ice quake, a massive iceberg cracking apart. The ice groans, and it sounds just like a beast. 2 years later, in 1999, they heard something even more disturbing. They named it Julia. Sounds human, doesn't it? Like someone moaning from the deep. NOAA determined it was likely a giant iceberg running aground and scraping across the Antarctic seafloor. Just imagine the size of that ice for its scratch to be heard across the entire ocean. The next sound defies logic. It doesn't seem natural. It sounds exactly like heavy machinery. They called it the train. Once again, the culprit seems to be ice dragging slowly along the ocean floor, creating a constant rhythmic friction. But there is one that's different. The upsweep. Unlike the others, this wasn't a one-time event. This sound appears seasonally, in spring and fall. It's constant. It sounds like an alarm. The leading theory points to underwater volcanic activity, but unlike the Bloop or Julia, the exact origin of the upsweep still has a margin of mystery. It keeps sounding down there. Ice, volcanoes, or something else. The only thing for sure is that the ocean is loud, and we are just starting to listen. If you enjoyed this dive into the deep, subscribe until the next exploration.